Hi, this is Pankaj Singh here, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to do affiliate marketing of software, guys, or you can say SaaS product, software as a service. So if you are looking for how to promote any software product for your affiliate marketing business, then yes, this video is for you. In this video I'm gonna show you that how you can do software affiliate marketing, or how you can do affiliate marketing of software, guys, right? But guys, before telling this, I just want to say that guys, if you're a beginner and know nothing how to start your affiliate marketing business step by step, then down below I have put the link of my own ebook, that is Affiliate Commission Secrets, and in that ebook I have revealed everything that you need to know to build your affiliate marketing business step by step. So go and check out my ebook, down below there is a link, right? So okay, now here, without any delay, let me show you how to do affiliate marketing of software, or you can say how to do software affiliate marketing, or how you can promote your software for your affiliate marketing business so you can make affiliate commission, right, guys? So okay, now here, first thing, guys, that you need to understand, guys, that before promoting any software, guys, any SaaS product, software as a service, first thing, guys, I would highly recommend you guys, first you go and check out this software, guys. First you subscribe to this software and play around with that software and see that how it works, what are the, you can say, features, and how this you can say software gonna help other people in their business, guys, right? So first you go through that software, guys. This is first condition, guys. I see that somebody who's new, they immediately want to promote any software for their affiliate marketing business without going through this software by themselves. Come on, guys, don't do that, guys. This is not the right way. I have done this mistake, so learn from my mistake, guys. You tell me, if someone comes to you and wants more information about particular software that you are going to promote, guys, now you tell me, will you be in a great position to explain about this very software? I hope so. No, right? But I'm using this software personally, and if someone comes to me and want more information about this software, I hope so. I will be in a better position about this, you can explain about this software, right? So guys, here overall idea is that first condition is that, guys, you first go through the software and know each and everything about the software, how it works and what are the features, and how it you can say how it gonna help your people in their online business, guys, right? So this is the first condition. Second thing, guys, that you need to understand, guys, don't talk about the software, guys. Don't talk about the software. Go and show the demo, guys. As in my case, guys, I'm going to, like, you know, like I'm using this ConvertKit. It is my autoresponder, guys, that I'm using, right? So here, guys, if I want to promote this ConvertKit autoresponder, then what I will do, guys, I will go and create you can say form. I will go and show to the people that, hey, this is how we create form, this is how we create, you can say we create email sequence, this is how we do, you can say broadcast using ConvertKit, right? So guys, here show the demo, guys. Let me show you how we do that. Like, for example, I want to create a form, so I will go and show to the people, this is how we, you can say, create form using ConvertKit, right? So create, then form, right? So I need to show to the people, guys, like inline, and then I need to select template like this one, choose. I need to give it a name. Software form, right? Whatever, guys, that you want to give, right? So here we can go to the settings and we can put our, you can say, journal setting, success. Now check your email to, like, for example, if someone put his email address, then what's the next page, and what will be the message on the next page? So we can say thank you so much thank you so much for subscribing. Now check your email to confirm your email subscription or whatever, like whatever we are offering on our, you can say, form, right? Or you can say on our landing page. So we can say, hey, go and check your email. There is a link to download your free ebook or free training, whatever, guys. So guys, here, if someone is looking for that how to use ConvertKit, so I can show to the people that, hey, this is how you use ConvertKit, so that you can create your form, so that you can collect emails, send emails, broadcast email, right? So guys, here I'm showing you that, guys, right? So when people see with their open eyes, they believe, guys, not what you say, guys, right? People don't believe what you say. People believe what they see with their open eyes. So you need to show the demo, guys, right? So then go and save, right? So I have created my, you can say, form, guys, using ConvertKit, right? So what else I can do? Is there any other setting, right? Yeah, I can, you can say, choose my domain, right? Yeah, I can send to the subscriber to thank you page. Yep. So guys, here overall idea is that, like, show the demo, guys, right? Don't just say that, hey, go and buy my software, right? Take another example, guys. Like if I'm promoting ClickMagick, right? So I need to show to the people that how they can create their custom link or custom tracking link using ClickMagick. So I need to show to the people, guys, right? And then I can say, hey, if you if you like this training, then yes, down below I have put the link of ClickMagick or ConvertKit. You can go and check out, guys, right? So you need to provide value, guys. You need to show to the people that how ClickMagick gonna help them in their business, how ConvertKit gonna help them to collect, you can say, emails and send emails, right? To how it's gonna help them to build their email list, right? How they can do that, right? So you need to show to the people, guys. Same thing, guys. If somebody is looking for how to create tracking link, then simply I will go and show to the people that, hey, by using ClickMagick, you can create your custom tracking link, so that you can track your affiliate campaign, right? Like how many sales you got, how many leads you got, from which country you are getting traffic. Like then you click on this links, then go to create new link, and yeah, give it a name, like let's assume I'm promoting ClickMagick, right? So ClickMagick, give it a name, new, and then here I can use my, you can say, default user link, or I can use custom domain, and then here I can give it a name, ClickMagick 1 2 whatever, guys, right? And here I can put my affiliate URL of ClickMagick, guys, right? So let's I have my link, guys. Let me show you. Let me search. Okay, yep. So this is my affiliate link, guys, right? So I need to come here and I need to put here, guys, in the primary URL section, guys, right? So now create link. That's it, guys, right? Can you see that? ClickMagick new, right? Yeah, so this is my final link. So you can see I'm showing you the demo, guys, that how you can create, you can say, your custom tracking link using ClickMagick, guys, right? So guys, this is what you need to do, guys, to promote your software, guys, to promote your SaaS product, guys. Understand this, guys. Again, people believe what they see with their open eyes, not what you say, guys. Unless and until you are authority figure or expert figure. But when you are just starting out, you are just beginner, you need to show to the people that how software that you are going to promote gonna help in their online business, what they can do with the software, what are the features about the software, right? So that you need to show to the people, guys. That's the way, guys. That's the way, right, to promote your software, right? And yes, after you can say showing demo and training, you can say, hey, yep, this is how you are going to benefit from this software. And yes, by the way, if you want to try it out, then yes, download, there is a link, you can go and check out, or you can directly give them the link, guys, right? So this is what you can do, guys, and this is affiliate marketing, guys, for promoting software, guys. That's it. And same thing, guys, as you know that, guys, I'm using you can say ClickFunnels for creating my affiliate sales funnel. So you can show to the people that, hey, by using ClickFunnels you can create affiliate sales funnel if you are into affiliate marketing, right? So you can show to the people that how ClickFunnels works, right? You can show to the people, and there are so many trainings that I have done on this particular software, guys. If you want to watch, then yes, you can download, I have put the link, you can go and watch, right? So you can show to the people, hey, if you want to create funnel, then go to join ClickFunnels, then there is a section funnels, and then come here, build a new funnel, right? Then there will be an option that you need to select that template, right? And then yeah, then select your purpose. My purpose is I just want to collect the emails, right? So guys, you can see that, guys. So you need to show the demo, guys. That's it, right? How they can use ClickFunnels for creating their affiliate sales funnel, so that they can get leads, so that they can get sales, guys, right? So show to the people, guys. Show the demo, guys, right? So this is how you can do affiliate marketing of software to promote your SaaS product or your software product, guys, right? Show the demo. And yes, again, guys, use the product, guys. This is first condition, guys. Use the software for yourself. Show to the people that how you are using this product and how you are getting results, right? How it is going, how it is you can say it is beneficial for your online business or for your affiliate marketing business, right? Show to the people, guys. Right? So this is all about product, guys, right? By the way, guys, if you want to check it out, ClickMagick, then yes, download, there is a link. If you want to check out ConvertKit, then yes, download, there is a link, you can go and check out. And yes, if you want to know, or you can say if you want to check it out, this ClickFunnels funnel builder, then yes, for your you can say for creating your affiliate sales funnel, landing page, bridge page, then yes, you can go and check out. It comes for 14 days free trial, right? So yeah, there is no harm to check it out for 14 days absolutely free, guys, right? And yes, if you want more training on ClickFunnels, then yes, down below I have put the link, you can go and check out, guys, right? So this is all about for today, guys, right? And yes, if you like this video, please do like, share and comment. And yes, if there is anything that I can help, or if you have any questions, then yes, you can ask your question. I will try my level best to answer you. And yes, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then go and subscribe to my channel. And yeah, there is also bell notification button. Go and hit that bell notification button so that you can get the notification about my upcoming training that are related to affiliate marketing, right? So if you want to know more about affiliate marketing, then yes, go and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification, guys, right? So thank you so much for watching. Love you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.